We introduce you to GIFFT, an EU-funded project that aims to drastically reduce CO2 emissions in the glass industry. The glass industry, a significant contributor to CO2 emissions, is in urgent need of sustainable solutions. Current glass production techniques are reaching their thermodynamic limits, making further CO2 reductions challenging. The GIFFT project aligns with the European Green Deal's objective of cutting carbon emissions and achieving EU climate neutrality. GIFFT's vision is a flexible hybrid furnace, utilizing low-cost biogenic residues and renewable electricity, facilitating the transition from natural gas to low-carbon heat production. To better understand, in the presence of a cheap energy source on the energy markets, in the case of the project, waste biomass or renewable electricity or green hydrogen, the process of generating heat, glass melting, is shifting towards the use of that type of energy to produce heat. Biomass e-gasification converts biogenic waste into biomass-derived gas, syngas, reducing reliance on natural gas and other fossil fuels. Plasma-assisted combustion enhances process heat production, ensuring that up to 50% of the total heat released comes from renewable electricity. Ash from biomass gasification is repurposed as raw materials for glass manufacturing, reducing waste and further CO2 emissions. GIFFT aims to cut CO2 emissions by up to 75% per ton of glass produced, with fuel switching, like green hydrogen, offering up to 100% reductions, and process emissions like biomass ash and low-melting glasses contributing to another 20%. This approach also improves energy efficiency and supports the circular economy using locally available biogenic residues. GIFFT is powered by a consortium of 9 participants from Lithuania, Germany, Sweden, and the UK. Contact us www.gift-europe.eu